Hey guys, today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Armaggeddon Kalashnikov AK-566i gaming keyboard. This keyboard costs around $30 and it actually feels like a gaming keyboard. It has backlights. You can choose between 3 colors: red, blue and pink. You can even switch off the colors, so if you are watching a video or something and the colors are bothering you, you can switch them off. You can even make the keyboard cycle through the different colors. You can also disable the keyboard, so if you have cats and you're out of the room, your cats won't do anything to your computer even if they press onto your keyboard. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more stuff like this, please subscribe and also like the video if you enjoyed our content.